The most important aspect of maintenance is making sure you trim your roots. If your roots get too long, they can actually block the water going down and force it to come out the front. We recommend that you check your roots every week or 2 weeks and make sure you trim them down. So I'm going to pull an example here of what happens if you don't trim your roots. So you can see here from this plant, the roots are quite long. You can actually see that they've started growing into the shape of the drain hose. So to trim your roots most effectively, start at the top and just scrape them down from around the top edge there, and then trim them so that they hang out just past the bottom of the pod, just like that. Then these roots, you can go ahead and compost or throw in the garbage. Once that's done, simply place the plant back in and move on to the next one.